Hi there, this is Randy with BajaMate. Today we're in beautiful Gilbert, Arizona at one of our customers' homes. As you can see, they've already got the BajaMate full kit in their pool, but they've also done one in their deck. Interestingly, the landscaper put in a plastic sleeve, and today we're going to show you why these are really not good in comparison to our stainless steel sleeves. So as you can see, this customer had his table and his umbrella in this plastic sleeve, and it actually broke and pulled the concrete out of the patio. Now, this was installed incorrectly to begin with, but this wouldn't have happened had it been installed with our stainless steel sleeve. They're much heavier and they're designed to be built into the concrete, a much larger base of concrete, so they don't move, they don't there's no wiggle, there's no nothing. It's very secure. So what we're going to do today is we're going to take this piece out, we're going to throw away the plastic, and we're going to stick this into our concrete. We're going to make a larger hole, we're going to add more concrete, we're going to float this right even with the tiles, and then this is going to be perfectly secure, won't move, and the customer will be able to take their table and their umbrella and put it in here without having to worry about wind or damage of any kind, from forces, Mother Nature, things like that. It will be secure, much better than the plastic sleeve. So let's get to that right away. We're going to dig out this hole and we're going to start putting these together for them. Okay, so here we are. We finished up the sleeve installation. As you can see, it's perfectly flush, beautiful, looks very clean, very nice. No ridges, no plastic, it doesn't look cheap, it's very high end. Then we take the cap off, and what you'll see is the pin system that works with our sleeve and our adapter slides right in there and allows the stability of the adapter. So this is part of a system. This is the BajaMate system. So as that slides in there, it's machined perfectly. Now I'm going to thread this on the bottom of our adapter, and then we're going to put this whole piece on for the customer. So as you can see, I'm screwing the pin into the adapter with the plate. The plate is already threaded on, and I'm just continuing to screw this in. And we're going to get it right about level with the whole piece. In case there's a ridge during your installation, if this were a little bit higher, we've built in a custom little cut so you don't have to deal with any type of wobble or any type of imperfections in the concrete or the base. So we just keep screwing this in, and we're going to get it right till it's even. Okay, now that we've done this, we're literally just going to slide this piece in, and that is now your secure base onto the ground with your sleeve in the ground, in concrete, your base plate, and now your adapter. And now the customer can install any type of sized umbrella they want. They want to add a table to it, they certainly can. It's ready for a table and up to a 2-inch size tube umbrella. And there you go. That is the installation of the sleeve, along with our adapters in either steel or aluminum. Thanks for watching.